Oh yeah, we out. Oh yeah, we out. Yo, what's up, fam? Easy Side Hustle here. I hope you guys are doing well. Just came back from a trip to Miami. It was love. I'm gonna make sure I put a couple snippets of videos on here so you can see. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm at the bank right now. Well, let me see if you guys can see it. At the bank right now, gonna go get some cash, you know, to go fill up these machines. I have a ton of machines I gotta fill up. Great thing about the business is, guys, that when I was on vacation, my ATMs were working for me. I was making money while I was on vacation. So that's why I love this business. It's a great business. Like I said, if you do it right, if you make sure you're maintaining it, you'll be making the money. So I'm at the bank right now, gonna go get some cash, gonna go fill up some machines. So here we go. All right, guys, just left the bank. Got my cash with me. Car. Better head out to these ATMs. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, while I'm showing you guys around, I'm going to tell you guys little tips, tricks. I can't talk. Sometimes when you hear me in these videos, you'll see that I can't talk. But things you guys want to be careful with. When you get your cash from the bank, don't flaunt it, right? Hide it. Don't make it visible. I mean, you are carrying a lot of cash. Make sure you're hiding it. Make sure you're not, when you're filling up ATMs, try to make sure you're not too flashy, you're not too dressed up. You know, you don't want to look like a target. You want to be quick and easy in and out, and, you know, in and out like a robbery. But not a robbery, but you got to make it fast, guys. Like I said, this is ATM business. This is a risky business, but you can minimize that risk if you just take a little precaution. So, all right, so don't mind this, guys, but I'm over here counting my cash, right? And this is what somebody apparently had too much time on their hands. Come on. I'm at my location. It's cash only. Had it for about a year. It's a pretty good location. Brings in about $3 to $500 a month. Good location here. So I'm gonna go fill that up. Then I'm gonna be heading to my hotel up in Suffolk. All right, what's up, guys? I got my cassette here. Got my cassette. Got my cash here. One thing you want to keep in mind, one thing that's important when you're filling up these ATMs is you want to make sure you drive to a safe, quiet, secure location before you fill it up. I don't care if it's 2 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever, around the block. You want to drive to a secure location when you're filling up these ATMs and look at your surroundings before you fill up these machines, before you put the money in the cassette. Because, this, like I said, you're dealing with cash. You want to be safe. All right, last location, guys. It's all up in Suffolk. Here. Got my cassette, like I said, easy peasy. Already scouted the area. Area is pretty good, but for the purposes of this YouTube video, like I said, always when you're filling these cassettes, make sure you're in a good location, a good, quiet, safe location. Take the cassette. This one was actually completely empty. You never want your machines to go empty. Never want them to go empty. It's an ATM machine. You always want them to be filled. So don't do what I did. But you take the cash, put it in the cassette. Make sure it's flush. Make sure everything looks good. And then you want it to be nice. You want to make sure none of the bills stick out. None of the bills look weird. And that's it. You close it. Put it back in the machine. But like I said, that's it. Like I said, guys, the ATM business is simple. It's real simple. It's one of those things where if you're on vacation, like I was in Miami, you can make money. Vacation, machine is filled, you got tamed, and that's it. It's 80 to 90% passive. There we go. So, all right, guys, yeah, just to recap, like I said, when you guys are carrying cash, make sure you are driving to a secure location. Make sure you're not flashy. Make sure you're not exposing the cash. Make sure you're out of sight, out of mind. Like I said, the ATM business is a great business that can be passive, 90% passive, as long as you are willing to, you know, handle that 10% of you filling the machine, making the machines operating like it's normal, and just keeping track and making sure these machines are carrying the amount of cash that, you know, compared to the amount of volume that your business is doing. So like I said, it's a great business to where your money's going to work for you, whether you're on vacation, whether you're sleeping, whether you're awake, whether you're working, whether you're not. You just got to make sure you're doing those little things to make sure the machine's operating at its full function. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you hit me up, follow me, subscribe. Thanks for watching.